what it do, man? This be your boy Lil Carl. Hey, man, today is fucking Monday. It's raining real bad here in the state of Florida. So I feel like doing some cooking for the family. Huh? I'm gonna show y'all what I'm on. Hit it with that little hot sauce right there, like that. Yeah. Hit it with that black pepper. You know you gotta have that. I do both. Huh? Hit it with that onion powder. Come back. Make sure you mix it all up real good. Real good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's when you know the chicken good. Baby got her own piece. Now she calling her friend to tell her, girl, the chicken good.